How's it going, YouTube? Sick Eric back again with another video, and today I'm going to be doing a video on these dual driver wireless headphones from SoundPeats. Picked these up off of Amazon for about $35, $36, $38 with tax, and I'm really excited about these. Bluetooth 5.0, 22 hours of playback time, and aptX HD. Now I'm always on the hunt for some really good sounding headphones. I don't want to pay $100 or $200 for headphones. The last headphones that I've been using are these LG Tone Pluses, and these are pretty old, Bluetooth 4.2, but they do support aptX HD and they do sound really good. So I'm hoping that these new ones sound just as good or maybe even better with those dual drivers. Like I said, they are the SoundPeats Force Pro dual driver headphones, and they do support, like I said, aptX HD, so that's really good. Cat's crying, this is great. I tell her to shut up. Like I said, silicone neck band, 22 hours of playback time. They have the Qualcomm QCC3034 chipset in there, so it's supposed to be really good apparently. aptX HD codecs, Bluetooth 5.0 hi-fi stereo sound, so that's really good. Dual drivers, built-in microphone, all that good stuff. They are, I guess made in China type headphones, but I like getting these just because they're cheap and you don't have to pay too much, but you still get quality as far as audio and stuff like that. Well, I'm hoping, I've never used these before, so I'm hoping they sound good. I'm going to be comparing them to the LG Tone Pluses to see if they sound good, better, or hopefully the same, or maybe even better with those dual drivers. So that being said, I'll post a link in the description down below for Amazon, that way you guys can go check these out. Let's go ahead and jump down into it, and then I'm gonna show you what's in the box, try them on, let you know how they sound and how they look while they're in your ears. So let's jump down into it. Alright, so let's check out what's in the box of the SoundPeats dual driver headphones Force Pro, and see what comes in here real quick, and then we'll go ahead and try them on, connect them to my device, and give these a listen and see if I'm happy with them or not. If I'm not happy with them, then I guess I'll just return them. So this is the case that they come in. This is the box that they come in. Got some cardboard crap, and they come in a nice hard case. There are some documentations. You can get 30% off your next order. Okay, that's pretty cool. And then you get some information, logo update, I don't know what that means. Old version, new version. Charging tips on the back. Customer care. And your guide right here. Instruction manual, user manual, which nobody really uses user manuals. In the tech business, we figure it out on our own because it's just how we roll. Well, I never read instructions anyways. I always figure shit out on my own. And here are the headphones. They come nicely bundled, packaged up. Really nice band. They sort of look like my Studios do. Let's go ahead and bust those out to give these a quick comparison. Now these are my Studios headphones that I've had for a while, and these look pretty much exactly the same. Wow, okay. They look pretty much exactly the same, except these have dual drivers in them. The Studios do not. These are the Studio headphones, and these are the SoundPeats headphones. They have a little bit different wingtips, but yeah, the neckband looks exactly the same as the video. So let's go ahead and take these apart. Throw that in there, throw that in there, and let's see how the microphone controller looks compared to the Studios. So this is the Studios, and this is, wow, they're exactly the same as well. I'll be damned. You can see right there. Must be the same company or whatever. All these Chinese headphones. Hopefully they sound better with these dual drivers in there. I'm hoping they do. They come with little tips on there, and you also get more tips in the package. The little wing tips, and you get a whole bunch of different size earpieces as well, in case these are too small or too big. I usually go for the big ones, but these big ones look pretty big. So I got big ears. And then you get some extra wing tips. You get a clip if you want that clip, and one of these in there. See if I can get all these back in the bag without spilling on. And there we go. Throw those back in there, and you also get a micro USB charging cable. These are micro USB, but that's quite alright. And here are the SoundPeats Force Pro dual driver headphones. They do have a magnetic on the back, so they clip and they stay out of the way. And as you can see right there, they do have dual drivers. There's one, and then the other one going over there. Really, really nice. And I never really had a problem with my Studios. They don't sound as good. They use aptX, not aptX HD, so they don't sound as good as the LG do and aptX HD. So I sort of got off of those for a while. So I'm really excited to hear these and to see if there's a difference between these and my LGs, if they sound better or if they sound worse. So let's go ahead and pair them up, and then I'll put them on and we'll give them a listen and show you guys how they look. Don't go anywhere. Alright, so this is how they look while they are on, and they sort of hang around your neck like so, and they are out of the way. You need to put them in your ear. Just put the little wing tip in your ear, and you are good to go with these. And they do muffle out the sound a lot, so I might be talking a little loud. This is how they look while they're in your ear. So let's give these a whirl. Take this one out while I connect them. Let's turn these on. They do have some juice. Let's go ahead and connect to my OnePlus 8. Let's see, pair new device. SoundPeats Force Pro right on top of the list. Let's go ahead and connect these and give these a whirl. Come on. Allow, pair, and we are good to go. As you can see right there, HD, aptX HD audio. So let's go ahead and give these a whirl, and just go ahead and play some random music. And let's get some shuffle. And make sure the volume is all the way up. You can switch tracks by double tapping or long tapping. And they do control on right there. But they do get loud. Let me open this one. And I'm gonna go ahead and adjust some Dolby. If I'm yelling, that's because I can't hear shit. So they do sound really good. Just letting you guys know, they do sound really good. I'm just flicking through some tracks here, trying to find something good. Now, do they sound as good as my LGs? Maybe not. They sound good, but not as good. trying to get the detail. I'm very picky about my headphones. They do sound good, they sound loud, got good bass, highs are pretty good, they're not that great. It's crispy, but it's not that crispy as far as audio goes. Yeah. Yeah, they sound pretty good. I think I'm happy with these. I'm gonna go ahead and give them some more of a test, and you can see the band. It's out of the way. They hang around your neck like a necklace. You just want to take them off, put them away. Now let's go ahead and compare them to my good old trusty LGs. Alright, so we're going to do the LGs. Okay, so yeah, the LGs definitely sound a lot better. It's crazy because they're a lot older, but they do sound a little bit more detailed and cleaner than the SoundPeats. They sound loud, but they're not as crisp and clean, but they still sound really good. But I'm gonna go ahead and give these a try tonight at work and see how they listen or see how they sound and continue on from there. But these are the SoundPeats Force dual driver headphones. You can get these off of Amazon. Force Pro dual driver headphones, you get these off of Amazon for about $36, $38, and they're your typical, cheap Chinese Bluetooth headphones, but I always find these to be really, really good and sound really good, so hopefully they don't disappoint. And like I said, Amazon link will be posted in the description down below. That way you guys can go check these out if you want to purchase them. But that has been my, unboxing and first impressions of the SoundPeats Force Pro dual driver headphones. Hopefully these impressed me. If not, I'm returning these hoes. But thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned to my channel. Hopefully I get some new content going on soon. I know I've been a little bit not releasing too much right now, but haven't had anything to release on. Probably still got to do some stuff on the OnePlus 8 phone, but thank you guys for supporting my channel and watching, and stay safe out there. Wash your hands, wear your mask, all that normal shit, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.